Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Tigernuts milk, and you want to wash it before you start soaking them. I have washed mine before and I have soaked them overnight. This is how it looks like after 24 hours of soaking or overnight. So I'm going to use drinking water, not tap water. I'm using drinking water. If you can drink your tap water, then you can use it. So I'm going to pour my in the blender. You want to have a very good blender so that your blender will not burn out. So you gradually add the tiger nuts and some coconut flesh and coconut meat, and then you will use I will use um dates. You have to remove the seeds. So I remove the seed and now add that water, the drinking water. So you have to blend and add not too much water, because if you add too much water, this will not work. So I'm now going to filter it, remove the milk from the chaff with this bag. This is a disposable bag. You can use anything. You can first of all use your sieve and then anything you have to remove the chaff. So after doing the first round, I am doing it the second time. So make sure there is no chaff remaining in the milk. And that is it. It is ready. So I will serve mine with ice blocks that was made with drinking water, and then add the milk so that it will be chilled while drinking. And that is it. And it was very delicious. Make this for yourself and your family, and you will love this. This is a very good alternative for lactose intolerant people. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.